making my lunch for Wednesday. I just got back from the grocery store, so I'm making something super simple. I have, let me turn my camera around and I'll show you what I have and what I'm doing. So I have some kidney beans and I got some whole wheat wraps, and I'm baking a potato in the microwave right now. It's dirty, but and I'm gonna put those two together and put them in the Foreman with some cheese, and that's gonna be my lunch. It'll be just a super simple, I'm not starving, but it'll be enough to fill me. I will show you the rest after the potato is done. My lunch now, I have the potatoes cut up, and the beans aren't warm, but they're gonna warm up in the Foreman. So I'm going to add my favorite, some mustard. I have some stone ground mustard. The potato here, I crumbled it. I tried to get as much skin off as possible and put it right there, just enough to make it big enough. Now I'm gonna add my beans. I like a lot of beans, so that's what I did. And now I'm gonna grate some cheese and put it in the Foreman. And I decided to add some cabbage last minute, so now for the Foreman. Now I know my meal isn't entirely vegan because of the cheese, but it works for me, and I'm still getting mostly vegetables. And I know not a lot today, there'll probably be more tomorrow, but this is just a quick and easy one that I can whip up right after I go grocery shopping. But I'll show you what it looks like in the end. And here is the finished product. Now I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch, and I may have a side of tomatoes or an apple afterwards, or carrots, something. And I hope you enjoy. And if you do, go ahead and give me a like and hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment about what you think and if you tried. It's super simple and amazing.